When your pet becomes your alarm clock, get ready for the laughs. Let's see how they react.
Huh?
Wake up! No more sleeping! Time to play with me!
Bruh.
This sleeping dog gets a soda poured into its mouth, and boom! Instant wake up!
Huh?
It was so good. Do Superman, do Superman, do Superman.
My dog realizes my boyfriend is still asleep, and it's time to wake him up. No more naps.
Oh my God!
Not allowed on the bed, you. No! Yeah. Oh. Get down.
Two giant dogs are snoring loudly, sharing the bed with her.
Well,
The
it's
tall
official,
black
guys.
cat with long legs,
Loki
pulling on a
decided he
rainbow
wanted to
string
be
like a
dog
bro.
today. Loki, you're wild.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They were too busy. I couldn't ask for a pup cup.
Here's a weird bug. It's giving me some serious attitude in this video. This brown-gray dog is chilling on the beach, watching the sunset like it's having a life-changing moment. Nature.
Yo, here's a challenge for everyone. Act like you die in front of your dog and see what his reaction is.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
It's okay.
Shut up! Quit playing.
The girl tells them to stop, but they're like, nah, we're good. We'll keep fighting.
You! How dare you!
Hugo.
This dog wakes up with the funniest face, like it just had the weirdest dream and is trying to process
Good
life.
morning.
Oh, so your muscles tense up.
Dad uses a massage gun on the dog's back, and when he stops, the dog is not happy about it.
Huh?
Hi, how are you?
The woman pranks her dog with a fake phone call.
Oh, yeah, we're doing
She's
good.
pretending
Yeah,
to talk on the
things are
phone,
great.
and the dog is like, what's going
Yeah,
on
we
here?
went and hung
I'm
out,
listening.
And we went to the dog park a lot. And we went, because we had to drive there, so we drove in the car. And we went to Nana and Papa's. And after we went to Nana and Papa's, we got to hang out with Crixus. And it was so fun. And we we got to hang out with Hazel, and we got to see Mama and Kylie. Yeah, it was so fun. And then we went to see Zoe. And after we saw Zoe, then we saw Burrow.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
This dog sticks its snout into the window, baring its teeth like, I'm ready for action. Let's go. This guy picks up his dog and spins around slowly, holding it like a living, fluffy disco ball.
Look at this. How in the hell did you get way up there? You got to be kidding me.
It's time to get up. It's time to get up. It's time to get up.
It's never time to get up.
Say it's time to get up.
Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
My dog is digging at the carpet, desperately trying to get its ball underneath. It's an epic battle of will.
Bonuses on land.
You are so close.
Touch your nose against your dog's nose and see who caves first.
A few minutes later.
This big brown and white dog in the car is licking the inside of a white paper cup like it's a 5-star dessert. I caught my dog sleeping with its tongue hanging out. I wanted to touch it, but the dog didn't wake up. It was hilarious.
Hi. Can you beat me? Come on, Mama. Wake up.
This sleepy brown dog is under anesthesia at the vet, but as soon as it smells food,
What is that? Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, you hungry hippo! Oh my god! Good girl! Oh my god, good girl! Good girl! Good girl!
Yummy.
Huh?
Humane Society, are you sure you want him? He's weirdly obsessed with fish.
Let's play. Wow! Woohoo!
What the dog doing?
Got it, girl, look. Oh, she looks a mess.
I really, wait, come back. I really need to have a serious conversation with you.
The woman is having a serious chat with her dog, telling it, you can't wake me up at 4 a.m. and jump on me. I can't go back to sleep.
Can you just wait till like 4:45 next time? Because, let me tell you. Let me tell you something. You woke me up and you were so hyper and you were jumping on me just like how you just jumped right now. And I couldn't go back to sleep. Are you sorry?
Okay.
Okay.
Just trying to lay down. Someone won't let me. Yeah, you.
Thanks for watching. Which moment did you love the most? Let us know in the comments.